Can you imagine a former president being disqualified from running again? In a historic turn of events, the Colorado Supreme Court has ruled that the former president, Donald Trump, is disqualified from the 2024 primary ballot. This ruling, which marks a first in American history, has sparked a nationwide debate that could potentially reshape the course of future presidential elections. The story begins in November 2023, when a Colorado judge ruled that despite his involvement in the infamous Capitol riots of January 6, 2021, Trump remained eligible to run for president. The government watchdog group, Citizens for Responsibility and Ethics in Washington, challenged this ruling, arguing that the insurrection clause of the 14th Amendment should disqualify Trump from holding office again. Despite this, the judge held that the clause did not apply to individuals running for president. Fast forward to December 2023, the Colorado Supreme Court overruled the lower district court's decision. The Supreme Court agreed that Trump had indeed incited protesters before the Capitol riot, thereby violating the 14th Amendment of the United States Constitution. This ruling, controversial and unprecedented, disqualified Trump from running for president and holding office. This decision, however, is not the end of the road. Trump's campaign has announced plans to appeal this decision to the United States Supreme Court. If the highest court in the land agrees to hear this case, its decision could have far-reaching implications for the 2024 presidential election and beyond. Other states are also mulling over similar challenges to Trump's eligibility, adding another layer of complexity to this unfolding drama. Adding to the intrigue, the Colorado Supreme Court's ruling contrasts with decisions made by other state courts. The Minnesota Supreme Court, for instance, decided that the state party can nominate anyone it wants for its primary ballot. Meanwhile, a Michigan judge ruled that Congress, not the judiciary, should decide whether Trump can stay on the ballot. In summary, the Colorado Supreme Court's decision to disqualify a former president from running again is a landmark event in American politics. The court's ruling, based on the argument that Trump incited an insurrection, could potentially redefine the interpretation of the 14th Amendment and its application in future cases. As we await the United States Supreme Court's decision on this matter, the nation watches with bated breath, wondering how this saga will shape the future of American democracy.